Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video I will tell you different ways to say you are beautiful in English. So instead of saying you are beautiful, you can say watching you is like listening to an angel sing. You look so adorable. Your smile melts my heart. You look drop dead gorgeous. I can't take my eyes off you. I have never seen anyone as beautiful as you. You make my heart melt. You look out of this world and you look as pretty as always. Your beauty is incomparable. You are beyond gorgeous. You look so radiant. You have looks to die for. You are stunning. You are super cute. So I hope you like these 15 expressions and you will use these in your daily conversation. If you like this video, please do not forget to press that big fat like button because it motivates me to make more videos. And thank you so much for watching.